So do you want to show them your Automaton? I don't know how to say it. What's making this one the best?
Yeah, fun toy.
It was a fun toy. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a Tinker Crate, which is from Kiwico. And I'm really excited about this. We just started getting these and we had tried one once before and my son really liked it. And so we're going to give it a try again. And if you're new to my channel, I created this channel to help with to be a homeschooling resource for people out there. So we'll have some different unboxings that will help with homeschool, or some different resources, different ways to organize, different curriculum, those types of things. So if you're interested in those types of things, please subscribe below and let's get into this box. So when you open it, it's going to look like this. And let me just tell you, I had the hardest time this morning trying to pronounce this name. If you can see right here, I asked my husband how he would say it because I didn't say it right the first time. And so this is a wooden automaton, which makes me think of Comic Con. That's how I can remember how to say it. So hopefully that was correct. And so we're gonna open it up. And these boxes are $20 a month, and you can get them a little bit cheaper if you do a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. And so let's see what we have inside here. And one of my favorite things that we've gotten from these boxes before in the past, not just the Tinker Crate, but there's Kiwi crates, there's koala crates, there's a whole bunch of different ones depending on age group and interests. And they have all come with one of these little pamphlets. And inside, it gives you a little bit more information about what's in the box, some history behind it, some different activities that you can also do with your kids. So it gives you some different things you might be able to make with the box. And sometimes they have some snacks you could make that kind of go along with the theme for the month. And this one opens up and has some other activities your kids can do. So I liked how it wasn't just something that you just get the box and that's all, but they give you this pamphlet that lets you have additional resources for your kids, and so they can do other fun things that month as well. So the next thing I want to show you is it does come with some instructions. This one's a big fold-out pamphlet that's upside down, so let's not read it that way. So here we go, and it also has some stuff on the back, if you guys can see that. So it's pretty in-depth, which is good for this box because when I'm just looking at it right now, it's slightly overwhelming. It has a lot of small, like little wooden pieces, and I think I would be really overwhelmed if I didn't have detailed instructions. So we have some of the little sticks. There's some little stickies that you'll use as you build the project. And again, there's some more wooden pieces that I have no idea what you're supposed to do with right now. More wooden pieces, some little black washers, and then there's some cardboard pieces that your kids will have to punch out and they'll be used somehow. We'll figure that out. And then there's a little tube that you could use as a straw, but that's probably not what it's for. So that's what's in this box. And like I said, at the moment, I have no idea how we're gonna use all these things to build this Automaton. I think I totally just said it wrong. Anyways, just think Comic Con and maybe you can figure it out. And I'm gonna let my son loose on this and I'm gonna let you know how it goes. This box itself is for 9 to 14-year-olds and my son is 7. He'll be 8 later on this year. And so he has done one of these crates before with a little bit of our help. So we'll see how this one goes. And I can let you know what he was able to do by himself and what he wasn't able to do. And from month to month, we'll see if some of them are easier for him to do alone or if he needs more help. Okay, we have finished making the Tinker Crate craft. Well, he has mostly finished it himself. So do you want to show him your Automaton? I don't know how to say it. Okay.
I have to have a way to that.
Okay, I'll hold it. Let's see if they can. So then the little balls move up. Pretty cool. Oh, and then they fall out. So he was able to make almost this whole thing by himself. he needed help with a few little things. There's some little washers down here in between these little circles, and those were really hard for him to get on. But other than that, most of it he was able to just do himself. And like I had mentioned earlier in this video, they give you this pamphlet, so it had another activity for him to do right here that he could use the box that it came in and make another automaton. And so this is what he made. So it pushes his little design up here, his egg. And he's very excited about it. Yep, so it pushes it up and down, in theory, and makes a cute little display. So that was also something fun for him to work on, and he's still working on it and changing out the characters on the top. So what was your favorite part? Come stand over here so they can see. Stand, look at the camera.
That.
You liked making this one the best?
Yeah, fun toy.
It was a fun toy. Did you think it was too hard for you or easy or?
It was fun. It was fun.
It was fun. It was fine. Okay. All right, you can take these and you can go out. You got them all? Okay, so something that I really like about this is even though he is not quite the age range they're saying, he's a little bit younger than the box, he's still able to do most of it himself, and he can read the instructions almost completely by himself. And so it's helping him learn how to read instructions and drop balls on the floor as he walks out the door. And so it's helping him read instructions and learn how to follow them. And it'll also be interesting to see over the course of several months if he gets a lot better at understanding what he's supposed to do as he does several boxes instead of just doing one and then not doing any more. So we'll have to let you know how that goes. But if you're interested in more videos like this, more unboxings for Kiwico or more homeschooling resources about organizing curriculum, please subscribe to my channel down below. And there's also a link in the description box that will give you 50% off your first Kiwico box, and you can pick whichever one best fits your kids' age range or their interests. And we will see you next time.